Hello, welcome back. This is Miles Betcher here with Mind Muscle Memory Program. And at our strength and nutrition programming, we want to make sure you have delicious food all the time that's going to make sure that you really enjoy what you're eating. It's healthy, but you enjoy it. So what we have here today is a recipe. So in this recipe, it's a simpler recipe. It's going to be for our curried horseradish tuna fish today. I'm going to put that on some spinach salad. So it's pretty simple. What we did is we took the horseradish and some curry powder. We made it into a nice little paste right here. And we're going to take this paste, and what we're going to do today is we're actually going to put this paste into yogurt. So as you see, I'm going to take the nice paste I have, put it into the yogurt, and then make that yogurt blend so we have a nice flavor. So you can of course use mayonnaise if you really want, but I suggest try using this plain non-fat Greek yogurt, which was going to give you this consistency that you're really going to like inside your tuna fish. Okay, so we mix that up so we have a nice consistency. And what I have is I already flaked the 2 cans of tuna fish in here, so we just want to flake it up so when we put the paste and the yogurt mixture in there, it has a nice blend to it. Before I do put that in there though, I like to put my squeezed lemon directly on the tuna fish, right in there. So we have that lemon flavor right on the tuna fish. And we get that a little bit of a mix. Now we'll take it and we'll put our yogurt blend with the curry horseradish mix right in there. All right. And now, what we want to do is as we get this all to a nice texture with the tuna fish, we want to really make sure you understand that this tuna fish is giving us some protein for today. And the protein in this meal is going to be just over 20 grams of protein. And we need to be able to have enough protein with each meal 3 times a day that we are providing the protein source for our muscles to stay strong and maintain or even build their strength. So we want toned muscles, and if we don't have enough protein with each meal, then 3 times a day, then we won't get enough in for the day that we can stay strong and toned in our muscles. So if we see here, I've just a few more. And this is only going to take you a few minutes, three minutes tops. And look at this, you're going to have this nice yogurt. And so what we're going to do is going to grab a nice cup of this yogurt here. I'm going to scoop it out, nice cup. I'm going to put it right on top of my spinach. So as you can see, the spinach salad right